Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Trading Bulls. Today's topic is introduction to corporate FDs. What is corporate FDs? Corporate fixed deposit or company fixed deposit are saving cum investment tools offered by non-banking financial companies NBF or NBFCs. These corporate or companies fixed deposit schemes are backed by higher FDs. As compared to bank FD rates, interest rate is higher. So let's start. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Why should you invest in corporate FDs? If you are looking at a solid investment portfolio, ensure that it has both debt instrument and equity component to ensure a risk reward balance. Debt instruments includes bonds, debenture, certificates of deposits, debt funds and fixed deposit among others. Debt instruments are considered stable and balance out your equity portfolio. One of the debt instrument options is corporate FD or corporate fixed deposits. A fixed deposit involves investment a lump sum amount and receiving interest at a periodic interval till the FD reaches maturity. Much like bank FD, companies also offer fixed deposit in order to raise funds for operations. Corporate NBFCs and financial institutions all offer companies deposits. Company fixed deposit. Investing in corporate fixed deposit. 5 reasons to invest in CFDs, corporate FDs. Earn up to 8.25% per annum interest rate. Complete flexibility to choose investment tenure and interest payment options. And AAA rated corporate fixed deposits keep your investment safe and secure. Opportunity to avail a loan against your fixed deposit independent of market volatility. How do corporate deposits or company deposit works? Corporate deposits are company's deposit or term deposit that are held over a specific or fixed time frame and come with a fixed interest rate. This does not mean that all corporate can offer fixed deposits. Corporate FDs are governed under the Section 58A of the Companies Act 1956. There are RBI guidelines involved in the permitting companies to launch fixed deposits. For a company raising funds through the company FD route is a convenient option because it is an unsecured loan. Why should you invest in corporate FD? Fixed deposits offer guaranteed return. Fixed deposits offer guaranteed returns as they are not linked to the markets. This is why they are offered by those looking for stability and fixed income. Similarly, corporate fixed deposits also offer guaranteed returns. If a company offers a certain rate of interest, it is offered irrespective of any fluctuation in the market or interest rate. Company FD versus bank FD, which is the best option, which is the best investment option? Interest rate. Corporate FD interest rate are higher when compared to a bank fixed deposit. If you are looking at a debt instrument but at the same time want higher corporate FD interest rate for greater return, a corporate FD is your choice. The debt component of your portfolio may then see returns that are in line with your goals. Like a bank fixed deposit, corporate FD rate of interest are higher for senior citizens, making it attractive for this section looking for a combination of stability and alternative periodic payout. The best rate of 1 year FD. Here are one slide we have represent for FD interest rate. There are private banks and there are public sector banks. There are different interest rates, 6.5, 5.25 and interest payout of corporate FDs. Here are one snapshot for corporate FD interest rate. You are easily find out Tata Capital Housing Finance is provide 8.7% return, and other Sriram Transport Finance around 9% interest for 5 years. So short-term investment option. The bank fixed deposit has a tenure that range from a few months and can extend it for a year. On the other hand, a corporate FD is a short-term option with a short tenure of not more than 5 years. A rating. Corporate FDs are also given a rating by reputed agencies like CRISIL, CRA, ICRA, SCARE that track the company's record and examine whether repayment and interest rates are offered on time and revealed to potential investors. Companies are given ratings such as AAA, A, and BBB, among others. The highest rating is AAA and is assigned by the agencies after looking at the company's track record. Here are one comparison about bank FD and corporate FD. So we will discuss first description. Bank FD description. Bank FD are fixed income instrument issued by the bank. Their tenures range from a little as 7 days to up to 10 years. And the description about corporate FD. Corporate fixed deposit are those solicited by non-banking finance companies and even other non-finance companies. Tenures here range from about 6 months to 5 years. Returns. Bank fixed deposit return. Generally, bank fixed deposit are relatively lower interest rate than the other deposits. The interest is paid out at periodic intervals or cumulative or maturity of the deposit. What is the corporate FD returns? Interest rate are generally 1 to 2% points higher than the bank FD. Interest is paid out periodically or cumulatively. Risk. What is the bank FD risk? Safer, as the deposits up to the 1 lakh are guaranteed by the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation of India and provides some protection against default by the bank. And corporate FD risk. Riskier, as the deposit is not insured. As corporate FD's deposit is not insured, investor can, however, reduce their risk by choosing FDs which have a higher credit rating. All NBFCs details necessarily have a credit rating, while other companies' deposits may or may not have a credit rating. In such case, an understanding of the company's financial position will help assess the level of risk. Liquidity point of view, bank FD, more liquid deposits can be withdrawn at any time, while a penal rate of interest may be charged. It is comparatively lower than that on other deposits. In comparison to fixed deposit, corporate FD's liquidity less liquid, may not be possible to prematurely withdrawn the deposits until the completion of the certain minimum period. In some cases, it is specified in the application form that premature withdrawal is at the sole direction of the companies. Besides, the penal rate of interest is usually higher, so much so that no interest may be paid if the withdrawal happen within a short period of time. Availability. FD, you can invest in bank FD throughout the year. Availability in corporate FD available only when a company wants to raise funds. And last, tax. FD interest will be taxed at slab rates. Tax deducted at source. TDS is applicable of the interest earned in a financial year exceed rupees 10,000. 5-year tax saver deposit are eligible for deduction under section 80C. And corporate FD interest is subject to tax at slab rate. TDS is applicable if the interest income exceed rupees 5,000. How to apply for a corporate FD? You can look up corporate fixed deposit schemes online via digital platform that offer investment options and apply in the same manner in which you would apply for a bank FD. You can avail of the application form either online or offline and provide your details. Things to keep in mind while investing in corporate FD: risk. As mentioned before, corporate FD interest rate are higher than interest rate offered by the bank FD, but as they are not secured, they can pose some amount of risk. For a low risk or conservative investor need regular income, corporate deposits are a good option in such a scenario. How they compare? Here are one compare regarding bank FD and corporate FD. So you can easily assess SBI FD interest rate is 6.85 and Bajaj Finance interest rate is 8.75. Here are one snapshot. Conclusion: you could invest a corporate fixed deposit if you wish to add greater returns to debt component of your portfolio. Having a corporate FD is a good idea to diversify your investments while maintaining the risk reward balance. Corporate FD rate of interest are higher than the bank FD rates. Also, corporate fixed deposit are given rating by the reputed agencies to help you compare interest rates, tenure, your own investment objectives, and the credential of the company before picking a corporate fixed deposit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.